Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please do subscribe, and if you are coming back, hey double A gang, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video, guys. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I installed this beautiful Peruvian hair wig. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. And disclaimer, this is my first time installing a wig, so it was a bit tricky, but not too bad. From here I'm gonna do a voiceover, so just watch and listen, and please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, and leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about the hair and my installation. So yeah, if you are interested in the hair, I'm gonna leave details in the description box. Okay guys, so these are the products I'm gonna be using to lay the wig, and you also need a wig cap. I am just laying my edges right now so that they don't interfere with what I am doing, and to make sure that they are protected. And then I'm wearing my wig cap, and then you want to cut it behind your ear, and then just apply your spray, and then you dry it up with your hair dryer. And then after that, you want to cut your wig cap. You cut it as close as possible to your hairline, but make sure that it's not on top of your hairline exactly, because you're also going to apply glue. So that's what I am doing right here. And then after that, I am applying the glue. The got to be glue, the one in the white, in the in the yellow container, and you just apply it all over your wig cap, just to make sure that it is secured, and that when you put your lace wig there, it's just gonna stick. And then right now I am applying my foundation, because I don't want my wig cap to show underneath my wig. So you just want to make it look natural as much as possible. And then I am applying my lace frontal, and then after that you want to secure it with a band. I let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, just to make sure that it's stuck. And then this is how everything is looking after applying the glue and all that. And then I noticed that the sides were lifting, so that's why I applied the spray to secure the sides again, and then I secured it with a band again. I lost some of the footage, so yeah, that's why I'm just telling you guys. And then after that, I applied the spray all over the front, and then melted everything with the hair dryer using the warm heat. So that's how you melt the lace. And then after that, I am applying the foundation to hide the white spots on the lace. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. I'm sorry I lost some of the footage, but yeah, it's everything that I told you. And after that, I applied my makeup, and I was ready to go. And yeah guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I am gonna see you on my next video.